Welcome to the Woman, Faith and Her Food Workshop, an innovative concept that aims to help individuals find contentment in both their physical and spiritual worlds. This workshop combines the two building blocks of our lives, food and faith, and explores their connection in a meaningful way. Food is a central part of our lives, and it is often used to celebrate special occasions and bring people together. The way we eat and the food we choose to consume can have a significant impact on our physical health and well-being. However, it is also important to consider the spiritual and emotional aspects of food. Fasting, for example, plays a very big part in all major religions. Faith, on the other hand, plays an important role in many people's lives, and it can provide a sense of purpose, meaning, and comfort. In this workshop, participants will explore how food and faith intersect and learn how to incorporate both in their daily lives. The workshop will include activities such as food tasting, meditation, prayer, and discussions about the importance of mindfulness and gratitude in our lives. Participants will also learn how to prepare healthy and delicious meals that nourish the body and soul, and how to incorporate these practices in their daily routines. Through this workshop, participants will also learn that food and faith are not mutually exclusive, but rather complement each other in creating a balanced and fulfilling life. They will also discover new ways to connect with their faith through the act of cooking and sharing food with others, and find contentment in both physical and spiritual aspects of their lives. Overall, the Women, Faith and Food Workshop is a unique and empowering experience that can help women find a deeper connection with faith and a greater sense of contentment in their daily lives.